Oh, welcome to this weekly Zoho CRM uh, product demonstration. In these episodes, we're just basically showing you some of the things that you can actually do with Zoho CRM to extend its capability beyond being just a simple CRM. Um, Zoho CRM is very powerful. Its ability to be able to be customized to meet your specific business processes is almost endless. And so we hope that these videos will give you some taste for what you can actually do with the platform. And of course, if you have any questions or would like to discuss any of these things with us, please feel free to reach out to us directly. So in this demonstration, I'm going to show you how you can leverage CRM to do more than just sales. Actually use it in your operational side of your business. In this demonstration, we're going to show you the functionality of the back-end CRM, but also how that can integrate really well with the CRM Android and iOS application, and just some of the things that you can do with it. So in this demonstration, we're going to demonstrate how one of our customers, who's a big coffee company, utilizes the CRM to do things like manage their machines from a maintenance perspective. So this coffee company has coffee machines scattered all around, and they need to be repaired and they need to be maintained. And so they are able to use both the CRM and the CRM app to perform this type of maintenance, and monitor it and log it and track it and update the customer so that everything is digital. In the olden days, they would go around and they'd have a piece of paper and a tick sheet, and they would drive out to the job, do the job, and then photocopy the piece of paper and send that to the customer. And of course, it's all none of that data is actually captured. So in this methodology, what they're doing is actually capturing the equipment and the maintenance that they perform for their customers, which is obviously important in ensuring that coffee machines are maintained. All right, so you can see from the back end here, basically we've just got a test account here, and this provides all the details about the account, and you'll notice that we've created some specific fields for their machine logs, and this is basically the contact details for who at the customer gets the email reports for the machine logs. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll switch over into the CRM app, and you'll see here I'm in the CRM app. So I'll just basically go to home, and if you haven't seen this, you can download this from the App Store. It's free. Just search for Zoho CRM and you can download it, and it will connect to your backend CRM system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate just creating a machine log that this customer calls it for a specific account. So I'm going to come into the accounts module and I'm going to search for the account, and there it is there. I'm going to use this one here. All right, and so you can see here's all the details for the account. They basically mirror what's in the back end of the CRM, and then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to come to here and I'm going to do a machine log. Okay, so what I'm doing is pretending that I'm a service person. I'm at the customer site and I'm going to perform a machine log for this customer. I can do this from anywhere. I could actually do that from the machine log module itself. I could actually find the machine and do a report from there, but I'll do it from the account in this instance. So I'll just click plus, and we're just going to do a new one. Okay, and we'll just click show all fields. Okay, we'll leave the log number because that's automatic, and the machine number. These are all their machines that are basically they have in their system, and so they have a bunch of them. So I can come down up here, and we'll just click this one, select this one here, and then if we just scroll down, you'll notice that the customer signature is not there. Let's just add some information. So the new log date, let's just do that as today. Okay, water control, just tick some of this information. So this is some of the information that the service repair person would actually be doing. So, you know, they might be writing descriptive detail. So tested unit and all okay, you know, it could be an error or whatever it might be. They tested the heater control system. Heater system needs upgrade on next um, maintenance schedule. Okay. Okay, and then we'll just add some of this other information. Obviously, it's just a test, right? They can do accuracy information, 100%. All right. And fill out all this other information. They can also attach files, so they can attach, say, pictures of the work that they've done. So I'll just add a couple of pictures here. All right. And so you can see that that all information is being added there. So then basically they've done it, they've completed their job. They can select who the technician is. So we'll just select this one here, and then we'll just save that. Okay, so now that has been saved. All right, and so there's that machine log there. You see it got an auto number, and we'll just open that back up. And then what's really cool with their system is what we've actually implemented is the ability for the customer now to actually sign that machine log. So the service person can open up the machine log, click these three little buttons here, click the MLG or machine log report, and now you can see it's already kind of ready to go, and they can request the customer signature. So they click that little button here, the customer can sign. Now I just need to note at this point that this capability doesn't exist inside Zoho CRM. This is functionality that we've added to it, but if you need this sort of functionality, you can see that can be done. And we'll just put in the name here, and we'll save it. All right, you can see that that's now uploading. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, so the signature has been uploaded, and now what we can do is send the customer an email. So we'll just wait for that to finish. Okay, so the email has been sent. Now I'll just log into my email because that's who it's been sent to. And here's that email. Now you notice I just need to display the images, and you can see here's the email. It's all pre-formatted to meet the customer's requirements. All of the information that's been entered, you can see the ticks, you can see the descriptive information that's been entered by the serviceman. Any of these text that's been added will enter here. Here's those two attachments. The two photos that were taken of the machine, and here's the technician name, and here's who it's been signed by. And you see that's actually been sent to the customer, and it's been CC'd to the coffee company's internal staff as well, so they can log that. Now, if I just hop straight back into the CRM, you can see now, if I refresh this account, then there's that machine log. Okay, so you can see that here. I can open that up. All right, there's all the information. There's the customer signature. There's the attachments that have been uploaded. There's the notes and the ticks and the checks that the service repair people can do. Obviously, this would be different for your business. I mean, you might be a maintenance company, or you could be any type of service repair business, field service business. You would tailor these modules and these fields to suit your the way that you go about running and managing your operational business. You can see all that information's there. And so now the beauty of that is it's captured. Okay, so if I ever go back to this customer, I can see not only all of the machines that they have on site, but I can see all of their machine logs and all of the reports and maintenance that I've done. They not only have a machine log, they actually have a machine pre-install test that they do, which basically runs through the same process. So when they install a machine, they run through the checklist, they tick it all off, they get the customer signature to prove that they're both happy that it's been installed and working correctly, and that's emailed to the customer. And also they have an engineering report as well. So these are custom modules that have been built to this customer's specific needs. And if you want to do this, you can actually achieve the same sort of thing that yourself. Yeah, so hope that helped. Basically, what we're demonstrating here is the ability to create custom modules for a field service business, um, such as quality control tests, surveying information. It could be even customer questionnaires that you use, though those records are completed on the CRM app, and they are then sent, once completed, via the field service or remote worker to the customer, requesting their customer signature, and then automatically emailing the customer the information that's been collected, and then of course storing that back inside the CRM. So yeah, I hope that was informative. And of course, if you'd like to discuss your unique business needs and use for Zoho CRM, then please do feel free to reach out to us directly. Okay, thanks for watching.